Okay, right, let's get this in the right place. Okay, on you go.
If they still don't wake up, we need to make sure that they can breathe okay.
So to do this, first we need to open their mouth, and then we need to watch their tummy to see if it's moving while they breathe. We can also listen to their breathing as well to make sure that they are indeed breathing okay.
We'll demonstrate this on Salty right here, and then you guys can follow along. We're just going to start from the E, and every time we're going to start from right at the start, just like we practice.
Yeah, exactly. So let's just demonstrate the breathing quickly on Salty, and then we'll have a shot on each other. So to open his mouth, okay, I need to get hold of his chin and lift up his chin like this, okay? And I'm watching to see if his tummy's going up and down while he breathes. I'm also going to listen to see if I can hear him breathing for up to 10 seconds.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ta-da! Ding ding!
Excellent. So you'll be glad to know that Salty's breathing fine. So what we're going to do now is we're going to move Salty out of the way. You come up here on the couch, Salty, and Sadie's going to lie down.
Whee!
Okay? And we're going to demonstrate it on Sadie. Okay? And you guys can do this at home. Practice on your partner rescuer. And then we'll swap over and you swap over too. Okay? So lie still. So remember, the very first thing we need to do right from the start is we need to make sure that we're safe. So we're going to have a good look and a good listen to make sure that we're safe and everybody else is safe. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask Sadie if she's okay. Are you okay, Sadie? Are you okay down there? Can you hear me? She's not responding, so remember, I need to squeeze her shoulder. You okay, Sadie? Can you feel that? No, she's not responding. So what I need to do now is I need to open her mouth. Okay? So it's a bit tickly, okay? But don't worry about that. So I've opened her mouth, and remember, I'm watching her tummy to see if her tummy's going to go up and down. Okay? I'm going to listen for up to 10 seconds.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ding ding.
And you'll be glad to know that Sadie's breathing fine.
Yahoo!
Okay, we'll swap over now, and you can swap too. Okay, so you have a practice on each other over this side. Okay, and Sadie's going to talk you through it this time.
Okay. So the first thing you do is check that you're all safe. These 2 senses will possibly help you. Look and hear. Once you are sure that there's nothing coming for you or that's going to happen, well, the first thing is you have to ask if they're okay. 3, 2, 1. Buddy, mate, matey, buddy, are you there? He's not responding. So, excuse the funny voice. So, what we do is squeeze that person's shoulder. It's not necessary to tug their shoulder really hard, just a wee little squeeze to check if they're okay. Okay, he's not responding. So what we have to do is I'm opening his mouth to check that his tummy's going up and down so that he's breathing. I'm counting to 10 seconds that he's breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ding ding. Yep. And you'll be glad to know that that is perfectly fine, chubby face.
Okay,